Hey guys, so I've got a couple problems here and I want to walk these out for you like you might find them in real life. So on this side we have the problem 24 divided by 4, and the answer is giving you a 6. Again, 24 is what we call your dividend. Your dividend is your number that you're going, or your group of things you're going to divide up in equal size groups, generally smaller groups. The 4 on the outside in this case, our problem today is going to be the number of groups we have. Now you can kind of interchange what this stands for and what this stands for, and they can kind of go back and forth. But today we're going to say we're going to divide into 4 equal groups, and this is saying that there should be 6 things in each group. So let's try this out. So let's say I've got students and I have 4 desks in my classroom. So let's draw 4 desks here. So I know I've got 4 desks, and I've got 4 equal groups that I want to put my students into. And in this case, I have 24 students. If I put 1 at each desk and just keep going and even them out, it should, in theory, give me 6 at each desk. But let's see if that works. All right, remember we have to go to 24, and we have 4 of these. So let's see. There's 1 student, 2, 3, 4, there's 1 at each, 5, 6, 7, 8, now there's 2 students at each desk, 9, 10, 11, 12, 3 students, 13, 14, 15, 16, there are 4 students at each desk, 17, 18, 19, 20, now we've got 5, 21, 22, 23, and 24. So now all of my students are equally distributed between my 4 desks. And I do, if I count these out, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 students at each desk. Ladies and gents, that's how division works. You're taking something and you're breaking it up into equal sized groups so that you can find out how many things go in each group. Now I told you just a second ago that you can't actually run that backwards. Let me show you how that might work out. Turn this just a little bit so you guys can see a little bit better. There we go, I've got more room. All right, I've got problem 20 divided by 4 gives me 5. Again, 20 is my dividend. It's my number that I'm gonna break up into groups. Now we're gonna change things up a bit. Instead of saying that we're gonna have 4 equal sized groups, let's just say that I have 4 things that I wanna put in each group. It's saying I should have 5 groups all together. But let's see here. So I have 20 things. Let's say I have 20 rings. 20 pizzas. Let's do pizzas because pizzas are good, and I'm kind of hungry because it's towards the end of the day here as I'm filming. So let's see. I've got 20 pizzas all together. And let's say I want to put them in groups of 4. And I want to know how many pizzas I might have because I've got, let's say I've got 20 pizzas and I've got 4 kids per table, like in my other problem. I want to know how many pizzas each table is going to get. So I'm just going to start out with my first 4 pizzas. I'm going to go till I get to 20. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So there's my first 4 pizzas. 5, 6, 7, 8. My second 4 pizzas. 9, 10, 11, 12. There's my third set of 4 pizzas. 13, 14, 15, 16. 17, 18, 19, and 20. Again, 20 things all together, 20 pizzas all together. If I put them into groups of 4, well, how many groups will I have? I'll have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 groups of pizzas. At least just division, again, can work in both of those ways. You can either think of your divisor as the number of groups you're putting things into that will be equal, or the number of things that go into each group. The quotient, the answer to your problem, is going to give you the opposite of that. All right? Check down below. There'll be a couple more problems for you to try working out on your own. Please try to work those out. I'm going to want you to show me your work when you are done, and then you're going to have a little quiz to take right after to see what you're learning, and then we'll have some IXL today. We'll try to finish up our diagnostic. So if you guys are having a great afternoon, check down below, work along with me, or try them out and then check out my answers. And I'll see you guys in a bit.